Hi everyone, I am Aswanthsolai. Today I am take the topic of Huffman coding. This is a Huffman coding of a definition. It is a lost list data for the comparison algorithm to design the variables length code to input a characters. The length of the codes are based on the frequency of corresponding of the characters. It means that less data of the comparisons in the algorithm to the length of the code. How many of the length the code can be input in within the length of codes. This is called as a Huffman coding. Next, Huffman coding makes sure there is no ambiguities when decoding the general bytes of the trees. This is also one of the definition. It is used for the JPG, MP3 and data transmissions, file compressions like zip files, etc. This is the main uses of the Huffman coding. This is a time complexity of 0 of n log n. Okay, this is some example of the Huffman coding. Characters that be given. We will take the value of a, b, c, d, f, g. So we align the values. First we combine a and b. We can combine a and b, which is answer is 14. You already know that's we called as an int. We can split of boxes a of b and b of 9. Okay, we can split it into the sum box. I can orderly arrange, and at last of the video I can put the all mind map and graph. Okay, now this is int. Then we compare it in the box in 14, which is in between of d and e, which is called as c, d, and int of 14, e 16 and f 45. Okay, here is an answer: c, d, int 14, e 16, f 45. Okay, now we can combine the c and d. Okay, you already know we can combine the value of 25. We can combine the value of 25. We can split it off the c and 12 and d and 13. Okay, that's good. 25 in between of the given e after int 2 25. There is an answer: int 1 14, then int 16 and int 25 and f 45. Okay, then we combine the int 1 and e. We can combine that values. There is an answer of 30. We can split it off into int 14 and e 16. We have that. Okay, that's good. In between of 30, that is in between of int 2 and int 3 of 13 and f of 45. So because 45 is the bigger value. Okay, here is an input. Combines the int and int 3. We can combine the 25 and 30. We can combine at last of the value. Okay, then we do some map. I'll later explain. Int 2 and int 3 55. Okay, we can add the values and combine the int and int 3 and int 2. At last, character of f